And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking towards lovely, cloudy downtown Lethbridge just about an hour ago. And yeah, there was a few snow grains in the air earlier today, but right now we're just looking at cloudy skies. In Alaska, though, where this picture is from, we're looking at a scene. This is a back door. My cousin actually lives half the year in California and half the year in Alaska. This is the view out the back door in Cordova, Alaska. We heard about that location earlier this week, getting a huge amount of snow. Well, the proof is in the pudding because it's right there in the picture. So it's always worse somewhere else. Minus 18 is where we're at right now. We got down to minus 21 at midnight. We hit minus 18 at 10 a.m. and we've just kind of lingered there. East winds 11 kilometers per hour. That's kind of backed up the cloud cover into our area, but all over, it's just small baby steps, but the temperatures are improving across southern Alberta. They'll be even milder when we get into tomorrow and the weekend. Well, wait till you see the 5-day forecast. As I said to Jackie, it looks like next week we're going to have well above average temperatures, and this will all be part of the record book. Speaking of that, there was about 40 records that were broken as far as low temperatures go in BC, right along the coastal areas. What we're looking at here is still that flow from the west-southwest. That's where all the moisture, all the precipitation is coming across from. We're going to get little bands of this affecting us possibly overnight tonight. We may see some flurry activity. The jet stream is trying to rise a little bit to the north. So as that bubble does move a little bit further, we'll pick up some of that little light snow dusting that they're getting south of the 49th parallel in quite heavy amounts, and especially areas like Washington and Oregon State getting pretty much a year's supply of snow just in 36 hours. They really got hit hard. That wasn't the case here, but we're just seeing that cloud bank moving across. And as I said, some precipitation will be picked up in that flow as we get into the evening hours tonight. See a little bit of that, but the forecaster is going to be showing us clear skies tomorrow. You can't really make it out, but this is the leading edge of a warm front that's going to be starting to push warm air in at the upper levels. It'll start to mix down to the surface as we get into the weekend. Temperatures are going to be very, very nice. And then in the higher elevations, still looking at precipitation into the mountain parks areas. Down east, we've got heavy snowfall warnings out for parts of Atlantic Canada. Windy conditions as well. Low pressure center is creating wind chill values in southern Quebec. The Maritimes looking not too bad temperature-wise, but their winds are going to be kicking up overnight tonight. Snow squalls in southern Ontario. And then we've got wind chills northern Ontario and then right along the border of Saskatchewan and Manitoba in the central areas. Wind chill still a factor, not in Alberta right now, but along the coastal areas of BC. Arctic outflow is a problem right now. Winter storm warnings in the Howe Sound area. And then blowing snow through the Yukon, through Northwest Territories and into Nunavut as a strong low pressure center moves across Alaska. Yeah, remember that picture of the door? They've got more snow coming there. East Kootenay, tonight you're looking at cloudy skies with a chance of flurries, minus 15 for a low, minus 9 for a high tomorrow. Cloudy with a chance of flurries and maybe some light dusting of snow in the evening hours. Crow's Nest Pass, minus 25 tonight, minus 4 tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix with that chance of flurry activity. Your winds will be out of the west tomorrow afternoon. Medicine Hat looking at an overnight low of minus 26 tonight, partly cloudy, chance of flurries. Tomorrow, a sun and cloud mix with a chance of flurries, minus 14 degrees. And here in Lethbridge, we'll get down to minus 25 tonight, chance of flurries tonight. And then tomorrow, mainly cloudy skies. Could see the odd ray of sunshine making its way through light westerly winds. We like the sound of that, minus 15 degrees. And there you see the big changeover from Friday into Saturday. We'll get those Chinook winds kicking up a little bit. Yes, we'll have a little bit of windy conditions, 4 degrees, 2, 5, 5. And then as we get into Wednesday, some of the models are putting it at 10 degrees. I'm thinking probably about 7. I tend to be a little conservative in those areas, but it's going to be nice.